Hello, ISEC. My name is Joseph William Oma, currently local committee president ISEC in Makumira, pursuing Bachelor of Arts with Education, and this is my last year in my degree level. I'm an ISECer. I love ISEC because ISEC is what has made me the person that is speaking before you. And in this year, in ISEC, I just been motivated to apply for the FASI incoming conference achievers in Tanga 2015. And why? Why applying for FASI? The first thing that drives me to apply for this is my passion toward the organization. The passion that I have towards organization is very great because ISEC, I know it has what have been made me, it has built me enough. And the second thing is I want to challenge myself. So with being FASI in this coming conference will give me a challenge that with that challenge will able to sharpen up me in my personal and my professional growth. The third thing is all about sharpen up my presentation skills that I already have. With this great conference that are coming in these few months, will enable me to sharpen up my presentation skills that I already have, because we shall have different delegates from different countries, from different regions of Tanzania. So with all this kind of audience will make me to grow in my presentation skills. And so what I will bring and what the unique thing that I will bring towards this conference when I'll be a FASI. The first thing will be my presence in FASI team will make and will create the concrete team that will make this conference to be memorable in compared to other conference. The second thing will be the way that I'll be delivering my sessions that will be inspiring, motivating, that will make other ISECers to think on the coming days to grab different opportunities that are being given out by this organization. And another thing, that the experience that I already have in this organization that will make the kind of the uniqueness of my presence in the FASI team. So that's all about what I will be when I'll be chosen to be a FASI in this coming great conference in Tanzania. So thank you, and wish to see you there in conference. Ciao, Sesek.